Hey YouTube, back with another one. I realized I forgot to say the specs of my PC. Somebody asked a question about it, so I'm gonna post them on here along with the price I paid, and I'm gonna explain why I picked some of the parts that I did. All right, the first part is the motherboard. I picked the Asus X570 Tough Gaming Plus Wi-Fi AMD AM4 ATX motherboard. I got all these parts from Micro Center, and as you can see, I paid $169 for it at the time. So yeah, when I was looking for motherboards, I was looking for one that had, all the features that I wanted, but without all the extra stuff. Extra stuff meaning RGB lighting and stuff like that, because I don't really care for that. So I didn't really want to have to pay all that extra money for the extra lighting and stuff. It's not something I was looking for. So I found this one here. It has everything that I want, and it's not a lot of light on the board. So that's why I picked that one. Next, I got the Red Dragon S107 gaming keyboard and mouse combo with the mouse pad. This one was easy. It had everything in there, so that's why I got it: keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad, and it didn't cost too much. I wanted a keyboard that lights up because the laptop I used to use the keys lit up, so I find that's a pretty good feature. So that's why I got this one. It's actually right here. The colors, they do change. How do I do that again? Oh yeah, there we go. So FN, and then that button right there. I know its keywords are dirty now, so but change them off, and then I think this is the one where it just changes automatically. Oh wait, no, you gotta press that and then M. So it's FN then M, I think. Yep, FN M, and then it does that. Yep, so that's why I got that. That's how you change the lighting on it. It's $34.99 at the time. So then I got the Power Spec 850. Sorry, something blocking my screen. Power Spec 850 watt, 80 plus gold ATX full modular power supply with RGB. I didn't really care for the RGB, so I got that turned off here. Can't really see it. It will be lighting up under here. Yeah, I got 850 watts. My system really doesn't use all of that or come close to that. I don't think. I got it, just to be on the safe side, and it didn't cost that much. This is the Power Spec, I believe, is the Micro Center's store brand. And then I got the Asus VP Focus. The Asus VP. Alright, I got the Asus VP29QGR 23.8 inches, full HD, 144 hertz screen. For this one, when I was looking for monitors, I was trying to decide whether I wanted a higher resolution or a higher frame rate. I'm glad I went with the higher frame rate. Like the last computer I got was my laptop, and that was like 10 years ago. So upgrading to a new monitor, and a whole new system, so everything was just more smoother and crisp. And for gaming, the higher refresh rate works better, for seeing stuff quicker. So I'm glad I went with the higher refresh rate. I was thinking about going with the what is it, the 1440p monitor. I didn't want to do 4K. Those are kind of expensive, so 1440p would have been my max. But yeah, I'm glad I went with the higher uh, refresh rate on this one, and also it has a FreeSync, so that works with the graphics card, GeForce. Um, so yeah, when I'm playing Warzone, I do get 144 frames, while playing it. Okay, I think I got most of the stuff on high. I turned off some, other useless stuff. But yeah, high settings, 144 most of the time. Except it's weird, like when you loading up in the what is it? That plane in the beginning, it's like 90 something. But yeah, I like when I'm playing in the frame rate drops, I can definitely tell the difference. It's like you're playing a whole different game with like the lower frame rate. So yeah, I'm glad I got the 144. So moving down, I got trying. Next is a case. I tried to find the cheapest case I could find. I don't really care about the case that much. As long as it looked decent and it had some front ports there that were okay. I don't really use those much at all, but they're there. Um, yeah, I just tried to stick with a low price for the case. Also, I got the one with the glass on there. I still didn't take what is it, the plastic off. Probably won't, but yeah, it's $69.99. Oh, for the monitor, the price was $159.99, and then at the end it'll show the total price for everything. The case came with two fans, I believe. Let me see. Yep, one. Yep, two fans. Then I bought another fan. I bought two fans. This is the first one I bought. Arctic Cooling P12 fluid dynamic bearing 120 millimeter case fan. And yeah, I like this one. This is much higher quality than the other one that I bought down there on the list. You'll see in a minute. It's much heavier than the other one. I don't know, I guess kind of quieter, costs more, but it feels nicer quality. I don't know. It's heavier, so I'm guessing it's nicer quality. But yeah, I like that one a lot. Whoops. All right, then I got the Icy Diamond 40 by 40 millimeter graphite thermal pad. Unfortunately, I didn't use this one at all, but I still got it. I didn't know that the CPU cooler that came with the CPU already had the thermal paste on it. Um, so yeah, I didn't use this. I was thinking about taking the thermal paste off, but I was like, is that something I want to tackle? My first PC build, trying to take off the thermal paste, and I was like, nah, forget it. I'll just keep it on there. And that was $12.99. Oh, and the fan was $8.99. Then this is another thing that I got that I didn't really use. The Inland HDMI male to HDMI male 24 karat gold plated high speed cable with Ethernet. I got this because I was going to use it for the monitor. This was $13.99, but I didn't know anything about DisplayPort. So DisplayPort is better than HDMI. And I believe the monitor came with the HDMI. I mean, not HDMI, but the DisplayPort. So yeah, I just used that one, and yeah, that works a lot better. Plus, I think I seen online somewhere where if you use the HDMI, you won't get the max frame rate of your monitor or from the graphics card. So, but I got it anyway. I keep trying to scroll up on my phone, trying to scroll the computer screen here. Focus. So next is the magnetic parts tray. Now this was just an impulse buy, you know, at the end of the line in the store. They got all that stuff there. I was like, I could probably use this, so I got it. $199. Oh, the HDMI is $13.99. I got this, and this is one of my favorite things. You know, it's just a magnet bowl we can put the screws in, and it came in handy a lot. You know, a couple screws you have to take out of the system, and you know, I had needed somewhere to put them, and you know, you can, oh, here it is right here, and I still got some screws in here from something else. I don't know what these are from, but I think this is for that little speaker that I got. But yeah, this is it right here. See the screws in there, they don't fall out. So yeah, I thought that was cool. I'm glad I got it. Came in handy. That was $199. Next was the Saxon anti-static work gloves. I got these just to be on the safe side. I didn't want to take no chances. This was my first PC build, and I was building it. We built it on carpet. I'm in the basement here. Yeah, so I just didn't want to take no chances, so I got those. I use them. They work. You know, it's gloves. Those were $5.98. That bowl was $1.99. And next is the cheaper the cheaper fan, the Kingwin Advanced CF12 LB long life bearing 120 millimeter case fan. That was $4.99. This one it's a fan, so it didn't really matter. I just wanted to try two different kinds out, but yeah, it works. I don't know. I guess you could say it's a little louder than the Arctic one. Yeah, this one, the what is this Kingwin one? It has the yellow and red cables, so you will be able to see those, you know, in your here. I can show you right here. You'll be able to see those in your build. That's that fan, and I believe that's the Arctic one. It's kind of dusty in there already, but yeah, I think that's the one that came with the case, and that's another one that came with the case up there. You couldn't see that, but yeah, that was $4.99. Got that. I got all my parts from Micro Center, so I built the whole PC from Micro Center. Everything. Next was the Inland Cat 6 network cable, 50 feet, black. Inland, I believe, is Micro Center's brand too. I'm not 100% sure. I think so. Pretty sure, but I got this because I didn't really have a cable for it. Well, I got an old one, but I had the other one I got had it for like 10 years, so I decided to upgrade, made sure I got Cat 6, which is the newest one, I believe. Yep, just a regular cable, $24.99. Yeah, it works great. Yeah, I make sure to hook my computer is always up to the line, you know, direct connection instead of using Wi-Fi. I just feel like it's better. Next are these Cyber Acoustics 3-piece flat panel design subwoofer and satellite speaker system. Now this, I like this one. I'm glad I got this. I wasn't gonna get like this speaker when I first decided on it, but I decided, you know, what the heck. They work great. What is it? Price is $49.99. Sound great, work great. I'm glad I got these, but my favorite thing about it is this little thing right here that comes with it. This is like my favorite thing. So you can change the volume by just turning this right here. Just turn it so that's all the way down. You can change it, turn it up. Oops. And then it has the bass level right here, so you can turn it all the way down. That'll turn all the bass off, and then all the sound will be coming out these right here. I got that one there and that one there. as you can see, it's kind of a tight fit. So I just replied to somebody about the size of the monitors on the desk, but it's from that edge all the way over touching this side here. So you will have to, if you wanted something bigger, it will have to be taller than this. Go over that, which is 5 inches from the bottom desk. But back to this. So yeah, so I really like this a lot. You can plug in your headphones there. Got an aux there. It also has the on and off. So turn it off, pull that down, turn it on, pull it up. Yeah, I just when I got this, I didn't know it came with this, but this is like one of my favorite things out of the whole build. Is this thing right here, because it just feels cool. You want to turn the volume down, you just be like, okay, I'm just turning this thing right here. I don't have to, click on my screen right there to do it or anything like that. So yeah, this is my favorite thing right here out of everything. Oh yeah, and how I got this set up, I got the subwoofer down here. I had it in here, but that was giving me some really weird vibrations, and it was messing with my ears because it's all enclosed, and it was some super weird vibrations in there. So I took it out down here. There's a little more space where I could put it somewhere else, but it's not right in the center of me, so it works. That was $50. Next is the Crucial MX500 2TB SSD 3D TLC NAND SATA 3 6 gigabytes bits per second, 2.5 inch internal solid state drive. This was $229.99. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. I'm glad that I got the 2 terabytes, even though I don't really use it much yet. I was thinking about just getting a 1 terabyte, but then I was thinking, for my laptop, I had a 1 terabyte disk drive, and I kind of almost filled that all the way up. So I figured, hey, plus I want to put games on here, they would work faster, with the more space. So I got the 2 terabytes. I'm happy with the 2 terabytes. And the price, it was kind of up there, but it wasn't too terrible for me. So yeah, that's why I decided to go with the 2 terabytes. I'm happy with it. Next is the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z 32 gigabyte. I got two 16 gigabyte sticks, DDR4 3200, and PC4 25600. These I was kind of debating about it because I never heard of them before, and I was trying to not break the bank on building this PC. So I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna get them. And yeah, they're great. I like the way they look. I would have honestly gotten just the plain sticks, generic brand without the heat spreader or heat sink on there, but I couldn't really find any. I guess I don't know. Maybe I can't remember exactly why I didn't get the other kind, but just plain kind. But I don't know. I'm happy with these. Price wasn't too bad for 32 gigabytes, and they're in there. I could just take this off, but I don't feel like it. They're there. They look cool in there. They're just gray with the T-Force on the back there. That was 120, and yeah, I like those too. Everything's. I'm gonna take this off in a second at the end, so I'll show inside of it, even though it's dusty now already. But I'll show the inside after. Then next was the AMD Ryzen 9 3900X, and all that other stuff right there. And that was $400. And I'm happy with this one. I really like it. It changes colors all the time. You can change that in the settings to have it match what is it, the motherboard and the power supply, so they all could be the same colors. But you know, I would turn it off, but I don't really. It's not that much. It turns off when to turn the system off, I believe. I can't remember exactly, but yeah, I just don't like the lights all over. But yeah, that one's pretty cool. I'm happy it came with the cooler. One less thing I had to buy, and you know, it's pretty powerful too. So that's great. Last thing is the graphics card, EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Super, KO Gaming, dual fan, 8 GB. That was $719.99. Um, I like it a lot. Best graphics card I ever bought. First graphics card I ever bought. Um, I wanted the 2080 Super because I didn't want to spend all the money for the TI, and um, you know, due to the recent, you know, Nvidia was 3080 cards, and I'm glad I didn't. You know, thinking about it, you know, now I only got this. Um, when did I get this? All this stuff. Scrolling up, hang on. I got this 62720. Yeah, so not too long ago. And how I feel about the 3080s after getting this card, you know, not too long ago, I still feel okay about it. It doesn't really bother me. I've been wanting to make a PC for a long time, and you know, they always come out with new stuff, so I'm happy with it. I'm not mad that they put it out. I'm not trying to upgrade right now again anytime soon, so uh, it works for me. I'm happy with it. As far as the graphics card, it looks fine. I like it. There's no lights on the front of it, which I like. Um, I can't really see under there. But yeah, I like it. It works. It's powerful and it gets the job done. At the time when I was looking for graphics cards, I believe this was the cheapest one that I could get for a 2080 Super. So yeah, I got it. I like it. Works great. Um, oh, the total price of everything. Total price. Let's see if I can get this in here. Total price for everything was $2,298.95. Tax was $130.13. Um, yeah, that was the most I've ever spent on a computer before. Um, Trying to think. For the budget I had for it, I definitely wanted to be under 1,500, but I knew that wasn't going to happen. Because you know I definitely wanted the graphics card, and then honestly, when I was trying to build the PC, I forgot that you gotta buy a monitor for it. You gotta buy speakers for it. You know, that's what I forgot. Well, I didn't have to buy the speakers. The monitor has speakers, but they're pretty crappy. So I'm glad I got the um the other speakers here. Um, but yeah, that's the entire build here. I'm happy that I got it. Every part that I got is something that I wanted. Um, yeah, it's a great computer, great monitor. I especially like the that thing right there. I feel like I'm in a spaceship with the little knob. Um, yeah, graphics on games look great. Even though I don't play that many, I don't play that much new stuff, but kind of cheap. I try to just play the free stuff. Used to play Fortnite a lot. Free stuff on Steam, Warzone, that's free. So yeah, yeah, it's great. I'm happy about it. Price for everything $2,298. All right, this is the inside of the case. I'm gonna try to not get all the dust in here, but yep, this is it here. Um, yeah, the fans and everything. So the light for the motherboard, it would come out like you would see it behind there. So And then, yeah, that's everything. Got the fans. These two fans are intake, so they're bringing air in. Pretty sure. It's my first time. That was something I was worried about when I first put it together. I thought I put them in the wrong way. I don't think they're in the wrong way, but everything didn't catch on fire, so I guess they're okay. And then this one, obviously blows air out, was what I wanted to do. And then same with that one. And then the power supply, where does it? This thing is blows it off the back, sucks it in at the bottom. Yeah, it's all that dust. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Pretty cool. No complaints about the case either. They as you can see here, I don't want to brag, but it's pretty clean as far as cable management. This right here, I guess I could try to tuck that in a little more, but that doesn't really bother me. That cord right there is for the RGB of the cooler. I can just take that out if I didn't want the lights on there, but I like those. That's okay. Just the one light there isn't that bad. But yeah, it's the T-Force. Let me see if I can see it here. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Here we go. And super dusty. And this one only comes with 2 fans on there, so yeah, that's the build here.